Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stop. Hello everyone, I hope you're fine, you're good and healthy. And for today, you saw I am wearing my robe today because I'm gonna do a pink look. And I am so happy that I do collaboration with my friends here in YouTube. So I will try to put their names and the maybe in the comment section. I'm gonna pin them, or I'll put what is this a playlist so you can check them out. So it's like a collaboration from different part of the world here. No, US, Canada, in Europe. So yeah, let's start. And I already have my face is already done because I am thinking about only do my eyes, and then I'm gonna do a lookbook so towards the end of the video. So check that out and let's start. Clean brushes to just blend your eyeshadow, the edge. Okay, I'm gonna use Undone. This is concealer to cut my crease. Yep, I'm gonna cut my crease and I'll be back. Okay, this is my first eyeshadow brush that I used earlier. I'm just gonna like blend here. I did not dip it, okay? I just use whatever left in the brush. Okay, time some glitter, and I'm using Cara Duo Beauty palette. This is Pop That Glitz, and I'm using the pink here sequence dress. So this one here. I'm just gonna use my finger. Yeah, this one. Yep. So I did not put any glitter, primer glitters in my eyes. So good luck to me. I hope it will, you know. And I think my eyes is almost done. I'm just gonna put eyeliner, fake lashes, and I'm gonna do the other eyes. And maybe put my wigs, maybe, and dress up, and I'll be back. And this is our final look for our pink collaboration here in YouTube. And I am so happy because it's been so long that I did what is this, like tutorials and then my hair. And yeah, it's been so long. So if you are wondering on my lips, it is Anastasia by Beverly Hills. Color is cotton candy, and it's yes, it is color cotton candy in person. And it's so funny when I like finish my look. I'm like, I look like a Bratz doll, but I'm just kidding. So yeah, what do you think of my look, guys? And maybe I'm gonna insert my what is this? My lookbook, and then yeah. So enjoy. And thank you for watching. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. And always remember that there is always someone who loves you. Shalom, guys.